Hi everybody, hope you are tuning in to see our Beary Christmas transfer tonight. I'm going to show you how to clean one of the boards off that already has a design on it, and then we're going to chalk the Beary Christmas on it. I'm going to try to switch gears here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, we want the reverse of that. Let me try that again. There we go. No.
It's okay.
Third time is a charm. There, perfect. Okay, so I have sprayed my board with a little bit of water about 2 minutes ago, and I'm gonna spray a little bit more and show you how to do the cleaning process here. Okay. Taking a disinfectant wipe to wipe my old chalk off. It comes off very easy, very simple. I think we got it all. Okay, after I wipe it off, I'm going to use a lint-free cloth to dry it. And then that is the only thing I have to do. Okay, all right, there's something called ghosting that can show up on your board. It is like a little imprint. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing, but like right here I can see just a little bit of a wreath that was there. So I have a tool for that, Chalk Couture. You may know this as a, it's one of the sponges that we sell. It's a new product, and when you feel it, you'll be familiar with it. It can be used if you have a little ghost image left on there. It does a like more deeper clean to it.